Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to talk about 2023 Kia Rio, so let's get started. The Kia Rio is a great car at a great price. As a 4-door sedan or 5-door sedan, the Rio offers an easy ride while delivering great fuel economy in the city and on the highway. Many of its competitors, such as the Chevy Sonic, Honda Fit and Toyota Yaris, have been replaced by larger and more expensive crossovers, but not the Rio, and it is one of the best of the few models. Compacts left on the market today. Power comes from a 120 horsepower inline-4 locked to an automatic transmission. Rio's lack of power may have made the race ticket the story of the city, but it deserves credit for a successful suspension. As one of the cheapest cars on sale today, the Rio's standard equipment makes it an attractive choice, and its low price makes it a no-brainer. And $20,000 in sales. What's new for 2023? Kia isn't making any major changes to the small Rio for 2023. Its only notable twist is the addition of an oil level sensor that will warn the driver if the oil level needs to be topped up. We think the few $100s separating the flagship Rio LX from the S model is worth more than the money. The latter adds a center armrest, cruise control, a rear USB port, folding rear seats with adjustable headrests, and keyless entry. The S also has desirable options such as forward collision warning and automatic emergency braking, Sirius XM satellite radio, headlights, and more. Since the sedan adds more cargo space and less passenger space, we recommend it over the sedan. Engine, transmission, and performance. The Rio is powered by a 120 horsepower 1.6-liter inline-4 engine, and the only transmission option is a continuously variable automatic. It's not the fastest car on the block, but the 2021 hatchback we tested hit 60 miles per hour in a perfect 8.6 seconds, in line with most subcompact crossovers. Even more interesting, the Rio absorbs well for such a small car due to its strong structure and good suspension. It also does a good job of controlling the roll in the corners. The numb movement isn't as conversational as we'd like, but it's comfortable and accurate. Fuel economy and MPG. The EPA estimates that the Rio sedan and hatchback will get 32 miles per gallon in the city and 41 on the highway. These numbers are similar to the Hyundai Accent and higher than the Nissan Versa. In a 75 miles per hour real-world fuel economy test, the 2021 Rio sedan got 39 miles per gallon, about 2 miles per gallon less than the EPA's highway rating. For more information on Rio's fuel economy. Room, comfort, and fit. Simplicity is the name of the game inside the Rio, and it's no snub. In fact, it has a clean, easy-to-use dashboard with climate and audio controls. There's a lot of hard plastic, but it's handled well, and the interior looks decent and sophisticated for a compact. The space in the front seats of the Kia is more than adequate, but the rear passengers will not be happy because of the tight legroom. The Rio sedan offers more trunk space than a sedan, but the Kia isn't a good choice if you plan to carry a lot of cargo. We were disappointed to find that the folded seats do not allow for a flat floor in the tailgate. Its center console is very competitive, as are its door bags. Infotainment and connectivity. The Rio comes standard with an 8.0-inch touchscreen that offers the latest smartphone mirroring options for Apple and Android phones. An upgraded infotainment system is optional on the S trim level that adds Kia's UVO telematics system and Sirius XM satellite radio. Safety and driving assistance services. Although it lacks driver assistance technology like some rivals, the Rio is available with forward collision warning, lane departure assist, and automatic emergency braking. However, the main types do not have such a tool. For more information on the Rio crash test results, visit the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration (NHTSA) and the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety (IIHS) websites. Basic safety features include available forward collision warning and automated emergency braking, available lane departure warning and keep assist. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos in the future. Comment down what next review you guys want. See you guys in next video, and thanks for watching.